And so, quick story time. Okay? Quick story time lang. Sorry, nabulol lang. So, paano kami naging magkapatid ni Antoinette? Kasi, for sure naman, yung iba sa'yo, or iba sa inyo is fan na ng Wamonette since pandemic. So, pandemic era, yung ibang batchmate ko, na nakita si Dad sa KMJS, then, yung ibang upload ni Antoinette sa kanyang Facebook page, hindi ko nasagot eh. Pero ngayon naaminin ko, yes, it is true. Magkapatid kami ni Antoinette. And yung first meet up namin bilang magkapatid sa ama is way back 2009. Sa mismong araw ng burol ng lolo ko. Hindi ko alam kung ilang gabi or is it first night, second night. Then, may picture kami before na karga-karga ko siya. Sadly, nasa second account yun and ayun, it was got disabled. And now, as I speaking here sa social media, kasi yung ibang batchmate ko is totoong fan ng Wamonette. So, yun lang guys.